Unit 17. Going to the shop.
Michelle. I'm going to the corner store. Do you want anything?
Wait, where are you going?
The corner store, 7-Eleven. Do you want anything?
Yeah. I'd like a loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread. Okay. I'll be right back.
Wait.
Yeah?
What? There was something else.
A loaf of bread and something else.
Thinking. Huh. I know. A roll of tissue.
Right. I'm so glad you said that. We're out of tissue. Okay. I'll be right back.
Wait.
Yeah.
Can you check whether they have today's newspaper?
I think by now they're probably out of today's paper.
Well, if they have it, great. If they don't, forget about it.
Okay. I'll be back.
Wait!
Yeah.
Just remembered something. Can you get me some toothpaste?
Some toothpaste.
Yes, mint flavor.
Okay. I'll be back.
And a large box of laundry soap.
Do you have a pen?
Here you go.
I better write this down.
Okay. Well, bread.
Right, bread and tissue,
And a newspaper.
if they have them. Soap, right?
Oh, I know. A light bulb for my closet.
A light bulb for your closet.
Wait. I changed my mind.
Changed your mind?
Yeah, I'll go by myself tomorrow.
I'm going to the corner store. Do you want anything?
Wait, where are you going? Can you check whether they have today's newspaper? Can you get me some toothpaste?
Do you have a pen?
I changed my mind. I'll go by myself tomorrow.